Okay, we need to talk about a serious problem in Iceland tourism, and that is accommodation. If you guys are trying to book a trip in the year of 2018, I recommend booking accommodation like yesterday. Can we talk more about that? Okay, here is your first edition of 2-Minute Tip Thursday. Hey, my name is Jeannie and I'm your tour guide for all things Iceland planning, and today we have to talk about something that is very important in the realm of tourism and planning for Iceland, and that is booking your accommodations. The amount of tourists that are coming to Iceland and the amount of available accommodations don't really match up. As in, there's more tourists than there are available accommodations. I mean, I've literally heard of people that are trying to book accommodations and places are completely sold out. Like, as in, there's nothing available. It's a little scary. And I've also heard of people that are trying to book accommodation and places have just said, okay, well, we are charging $500 for this room for one night. That's insanity. So you guys, seriously, let's plan ahead and avoid those major pitfalls. 2-Minute Tip Thursday, let's get into it. And if you're wondering, how did they fix that problem, Jeannie? Well, it's coming down to people are renovating their old farmhouses, they are renting out their second homes, they're renting out their first homes. It's kind of a disaster. So my best advice is to book your accommodations as soon as you know exactly when you're coming to Iceland. This is not only going to save you stress, but this is going to save you so much money if you are planning for this early. I want to tell you guys about my 2 favorite resources for searching and booking accommodation in Iceland. First up is booking.com. This is my absolute go-to resource for booking accommodation in Iceland. They have a huge selection of places, including hotels, guest houses, and hostels. My favorite is that they have a map feature, which is really helpful for doing your search. All you have to do is type in the approximate location that you want to book your reservation, click on the map search feature, and then you can see all of the properties that are available around that area. The other nice thing about booking.com is a lot of places will have pay when you stay or free cancellation up to a certain date. It's a really nice way to at least get something on the books. I always recommend my readers to get something reserved. Even if you have to cancel it, then you can get a refund and change your reservations around. But the first thing that you have to do, honestly, is just get something scheduled. Another resource that I like to use a lot is Airbnb. People like to use Airbnb because they're looking for places that maybe have, a full kitchen and it's furnished and maybe a patio or something like that. You're feeling like you're staying in someone's actual home. So this is a nice option for families or big groups of people. Exciting bonus tip is that you can get a discount on your first Airbnb rental. So if you've never used them before, then you can use my code to get $50 off your first purchase. And that's super exciting. You're welcome. I hope you guys enjoyed this edition of 2-Minute Tip Thursday. As always, like if you found this video helpful, subscribe if you want more tips like this, because there is a lot more videos coming your way. Make sure to come back next week, same time, same place, for another 2-minute tip about Iceland. And as always, happy planning.